So in our next activity, I have a list of the verbs and we are going to match it with the following sentences. So first we are going to read the verbs, and then while reading the sentence we will see what verb we can match, which word we can match. So we have swim, play, drink, fly, wear, ride, write, drive, cut, read, ring, sing, draw, sleep, walk. So these are all verbs or action words. So we'll read the words once more. Swim, play, drink, fly, wear, ride, write, drive, cut, read, ring, sing, draw, sleep, walk. So these are all the verbs. Now as we are reading the sentences, we'll check out which verb will be appropriate for which sentence. So the first one is you dash a kite. So normally what do we do with a kite? We fly a kite. So we find the word fly over here. So we write the word fly in the sentence. So we write you fly a kite. The second sentence is you dash a car. So what do we do with a car? We normally drive a car. So we find the word drive over here. So we will circle the words as we write it. So we fly a kite, you drive a car. So we will know what words we have used and not repeat it again. So you drive a car. So write the word drive in the sentence. You drive a car. The next sentence, you dash with a knife. So what do you do with a knife? You normally cut with a knife. So we find the word cut over here. So you cut with a knife. So I'm going to write the word cut. I am marking these verbs so that we won't get confused. Moving on to the next sentence. You dash your uniform. So what do we do with uniform? One, we wear the uniform or we wash the uniform. So we find the word wear. So we find the word wear. So I write wear. So you wear your uniform. So we write the word wear. In the next sentence, you dash storybooks. So what do you do with storybooks? You read storybooks. So we find the word read in the picture. So I'm going to write the word read. You read storybooks. Write the word read. Yeah. So I hope you've understood what is being done. The next sentence, you dash with a pen. So let it be a pen or pencil. You use it for writing. So we find the word write. So you write with a pen. So I mark the word write and I write it. So you write. You write with a pen. The next sentence, you dash a bell. So you have to ring the bell. So I have the word ring. So I mark the word ring. So you ring a bell. The next sentence is you dash a picture. So you draw a picture. So I mark the word draw and I write draw. You draw a picture. The next sentence is you dash a horse. So you ride a horse. So I mark the word ride and I write ride over here. You ride a horse. The next is you dash games. So you play games. So I mark the word play and I write play. You play games. The next sentence is you dash songs. So you sing songs. You sing songs. The next sentence, you dash at night. So what do we do at night? We sleep at night. So you sleep at night. So write the word sleep. You sleep at night. The next sentence, you dash in the swimming pool. So we swim in the swimming pool. So I take the word swim. So we write the word swim. So we have two more words, that is drink and walk, and we have two more sentences. So you dash along the road. So we write the word walk. You walk along the road. So write the word walk. Walk along the road. And the last sentence is you dash water. So what do we normally do is we drink water. Write the word drink. So let us read the sentences again. So you fly a kite, you drive a car, you cut with a knife, you wear your uniform, you read storybooks, you write with a pen, you ring a bell, you draw a picture, you ride a horse, you play games, you sing songs, you sleep at night, you swim in the swimming pool, you walk along the road, you drink water. So these are all the action words or the verbs. Fly, drive, cut, wear, read, write, ring, draw, ride, play, sing, sleep, swim, walk, drink. These are all the actions that you do. So I hope you've understood this exercise. Now moving on to our next exercise. And in this exercise, in the first sentence, there are three words and you have to pick out the correct verb. So you have 5 sentences like that. We are first going to pick out the verbs. So the first we have hop, kind, flashlight. So what is the action word there? So the word hop becomes the action word. The next sentence we have shake, jam, sorry. So what is the action word there? The word shake becomes the action word. Next, house, sweet, playing. So what becomes the action word? The word playing is the verb or the action word. Learn, doctor, little. So the word learn is the action word or the verb. Spicy, walk, flour. So the action word is walk. Now we have 5 sentences down and we are going to pick out the verbs from here and fill in the blanks. So the verbs are jumbled. We have to find the correct verb. So in the first sentence is baby Joe will dash to walk very soon. So let us see the words hop, shake, playing, learn, walk. So we take the word learn. So baby Joe will learn to walk very soon. The first verb is learn. The next sentence is I like dash with my best friend Patty. So what will you do with your best friend? Normally you play. So I'm going to write the word playing. I like playing with my best friend Patty. So the word playing. The third sentence We watch the bunnies dash around the yard. So normally what does a bunny do? It hops around. So we write the word hop. We watch the bunnies hop around the yard. So hop. The next sentence, I missed the bus and had to dash to school. So we have the last two words, walk and shake. So if you miss a bus, you normally have to walk to school. So I write the word walk. And the last sentence, let's dash the tree until our kite falls free. So a kite is caught in the tree, and what are they going to do? They are going to shake the tree so that the kite falls down. So I'm going to write the word shake. So let's shake the tree until our kite falls free. So we have the sentences. Baby Joe will learn to walk very soon. I like playing with my best friend Patty. We watch the bunnies hop around the yard. I missed the bus and had to walk to school. Let's shake the tree until our kite falls free. So the words learn, playing, hop, walk, shake are some more verbs or action words or doing words that can be used.